There being no objection, journal is hereby approved. Senator Cayetano.
Mr. President, let me thank you and just make the manifestation that this representation believes that it is a threshold issue, the number of senators to convict, and two-thirds, the logical, fair, that would give justice to the Constitution 16. So I thank you for that statement. And as you mentioned, it is a statement of the court, not only of the presiding justice, because napaka-importante na sa umpisa pa lang, alam na ng prosecution at alam na ng depensa kung ilan. Having said that, Mr. President, as to the issue of the presiding officer, not to take up more time, I'd like to register a continuing objection, but instead of giving my arguments, may I submit it in writing, with basically saying that violation of the Constitution is not a technicality. But if our dear colleagues will allow, we will just submit it in writing, Mr. President.
The
Whoever wants to
continuing
join.
objection of the gentleman is noted, and he may so submit his extended written explanation in writing for the record. Senator Cayetano.
Thank you, Mr. President. Just a few administrative matters with your indulgence, dear colleagues.
The lady may proceed.
Thank you. I read that we have rules for our resource panel and also our prosecution and defense that no drinks and